flag is out. We are underway. 30 laps for the green stock. Milligan working up onto the outside of Wilbur. Wilbur with the advantage coming off of turn number 4 after 1. Ron Wilbur is your leader. All bunched up in the middle of the pack. Brian Bowman trying to muscle his way through. He drops down to the inside of Kurt Johnson, gets up onto the rear bumper now. Randy Butler, and Kyle Matthews, as he was just kind of in the corner of the front there in turns 3 and 4, and Matthews got knocked down into the grass, but he was back up onto the racing surface and he stayed great. Now Randy Butler working to the outside of Hannawalt as they come out of turn number 4, side by side, battling for second. Brian Bowman, the points leader, sitting fourth. Just about cleared Hannawalt. Hannawalt got up the track just a little bit. Traded paint with Butler as they were coming through 3 and 4. And now Bowman's going to dive down to the inside of Hannawalt as they work towards turn number 3. He's at the door. Brian Bowman trying to work his way up into that 3rd spot, and he is there. And Randy Butler now right on that rear bumper of Ron Wilbur. Bowman. Wilbur not giving Butler a lot of room. There is contact and around goes Wilbur. And that's going to bring out the yellow. Well, Butler is sitting right there just near that back of the field. As our scorers go to work to get the drivers lined up where we need them. Bowman and Hannawalt will pace the field to the start line. And right behind them will be Kurt Johnson and Ken Milligan. Green flag is out and we are underway. Good new start for Bowman. As he is quickly in a familiar place in this 2019 season. He was out in front. As Bowman brings the field off of turn number 4, 6 of 30 laps complete. Randy Butler still stuck in the back of the field. As now he's going to once again try to get by Wilbur. The exact same thing. It looked identical. Wilbur goes around in turns 3 and 4. Yellow is out. I feel a long green flag run coming right now. Back underway, Bowman and Hannawalt up on that front row. This time Wilbur falling way back of the pack. As Brian Bowman will bring the field off of turn number 4, Gary Hannawalt sitting second, Kurt Johnson third. Ken Milligan fourth. There's Ken Legault trying to get up alongside Milligan. Now Kyle Matthews trying to work his way back up towards the front after his mishap earlier in this race. Kyle Matthews working the outside. Oh, not a whole lot of room for Matthews right there, but he makes it work. As he's right on that rear bumper of Milligan, and now he's going to go to the outside of Milligan as Randy Butler also trying to work his way up towards the front. As that battle for the 4th position continues between Ken Milligan on the inside, Kyle Matthews on the outside, and Randy Butler just trying to figure out which one might get the advantage so he can follow. Right now, looks like Matthews has the advantage going through turns 1 and 2. Powers it down off of turn number 2, and he clears Milligan as they go into 3. Brian Bowman's got about 4, 5, 6 car lengths now on Hannawalt, but Hannawalt's going to have to deal with Kurt Johnson, as Johnson now is just about to that rear bumper of Hannawalt. Single file from front to back. Third Johnson pulling up alongside Hannawalt. Hannawalt's able to pull him on the backstretch. The bottom is open if Kurt Johnson wants to get there again. They come across the line. Kyle Matthews and Randy Butler quickly closing in on Johnson and Hannawalt. Side by side through turns 3 and 4. Johnson with the advantage coming off of 4. And he moves up into second, and here comes Kyle Matthews and Randy Butler. Matthews is going to get by Hannawalt. But now Matthews going to go to work to get Kurt Johnson. Matthews to the inside of Johnson going through turns 1 and 2. And Matthews going to complete the pass on the backstretch. And Kyle Matthews now up to second. So he's got a ways to go to get to Brian Bowman. Second quicker than Bowman on that last lap. But once Bowman comes across the line, there's going to only be 10 laps remaining. Matthews pedaling hard. He is chipping away at that lead that Brian Bowman has. Just don't know if there's enough laps left. The lap traffic's going to come into play here. Your leader, Brian Bowman, has just about gotten the river and Xander Peters. You can clearly see Matthews inching his way closer and closer to Bowman. Bowman looking to get by Wilbur. Matthews is hoping to be able to do the same. And now he's going to get by Peters. Well, Kyle Matthews did not want this. He's now side by side as Ron Wilbur and Xander Peters. And Wilbur quickly gets up the track to allow Matthews some room to get by, but Matthews had to turn it in tight coming off of turn number 4. The car slipped up the track just a little bit. But now he is clear, and he can continue now his pursuit of Bowman. As they come off of turn number 4, Matthews within about 5 car lengths of Bowman. They come across the line, and Kyle Matthews now within 2 car lengths of Bowman. What a run from the back for Kyle Matthews. Had the mix-up earlier in the race, which sent him around down into the grass, and he had to come from a long ways back, and now he is at the rear bumper of Brian Bowman. Little bit of a peek to the inside as they go into turns 3 and 4. White flag is out as Matthews going to be able to do it on this final lap. Looking to the inside as they come off of turn number 2. A little bit of contact. Matthews gets sideways. As they come out of turn number 4. Bowman hangs on for the win. Kyle Matthews comes home second. And Kurt Johnson third.
Brian Bowman, ladies and gentlemen. Brian, a great race, man. You had a big lead there, and then, man, Kyle came to life, and he gave you all you could handle on that final lap.
Yeah, Kyle's a champ. You know, you got to beat the man. You got to beat the man. And I seen him coming, and I knew he was gonna get right to the bumper. But yeah, we survived. I like to thank Nick Ben, Wayne Dillon, and Anthony Chris Lester. They allowed me to drive this car. It's just been a blast so far.
Yeah, 2019 has been a lot of fun. When you decided to get back into racing, did you ever cross your mind that it may end up in a championship season?
I got back in it to help, actually. And then they said, well, hop in and drive it. And then I've kind of been just filling the seat for Chris. He's supposed to be coming back here in a couple weeks, so we'll see what happens.
You left him in pretty good shape if that's what happens. Let's hear it for Brian Bowman.